Hi guys, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be opening up 3 packs of Dawn of Majesty. And we had a pack of Metal Raiders and 10 random cards stuffed in the back. We're going to save that for the end. Or actually we can open this up now, save the pack for the end, and just see what kind of cards we have. We are obviously looking for the Shooting Majestic Star Dragon, maybe some Starlight rares. I know that the next Legendary Duelist set that's coming out, I guess they're bringing Ghost Rares back, so that is something I would be interested in opening up on the channel and hopefully pulling a Ghost Rare for you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what the 10 random cards are. I'm butchering this, obviously, so. But, we'll save the Metal Raiders for last, just because it's a classic pack. So, for the random cards, we have Duza, the Meteor Cubic Vessel. Kyoto Waterfront. We got Hackworm from Code of the Duelist. This is from Relentless Revenge. Oh my god, I cannot talk today. Relentless Revenge, and that's from the movie pack. This Hackworm is from Code of the Duelist. We got Space Gate, which is from the Duelist Genesis. Wow. Pretty cool. Back to Square One from Rise of Destiny. It's a little butchered here, but we'll take it. Zero Zarok from Cosmo Blazer. We have Cocoon of Evolution from Dark Beginnings #1, and that card is just, look at that. That's pretty messed up. We got Wormbait from Speed Duel Deck 3, the one with Rex and Weevil. Insect Neglect, also from the same set. And Crusadia Arborea, which I know I have, from Cybernetic Horizon. So, a lot of these cards I don't have, or at least, you know, have from that set. I might have some of these cards that I showed off, but so next up, we're gonna open up the 3 Dawn of Majesty. So I do have one more thing to open up for you guys. It's until I can start working again and stuff like that, that will get more stuff. So I do want to obviously try to open up different stuff too, besides just Dawn of Majesty and King's Court. So let's see what we got in here. So we have Gunkin Sioux Shipyard Seaside Supper Spot. Cool. Arrow Pix 3. Despian Tragedy. Magic Key Unlocking. Got Despian Comedy. Gookie Finishing Move. Gunkin Sioux Ship Akura. Clavikeys, the Magic-Key Sky Blaster. And Alvain, the Essence of Vanity. Huh. It's a Fairy Fusion Tuner, and you need 2 normal monsters. Alright. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Set them there. Our next Dawn of Majesty. So the next video will be another collection video. It's kind of funny, I opened up 4 Rise of the Duelist, and then I was just like, hey, you know what? I'll just show off the collection that I got for that so far. I won't be showing off Dawn of Majesty next. Be something different. So for this pack, we have Springin's Interluder, another Gunkin Suship Seaside Supper Spot, Despia Theater of the Branded, Glacier Aquamador, a super rare Live Twin Sunny Snitch, Raten the Heavenly General, pretty cool, Amaze Attraction Viking Vortex, Branded Bond, and we got Gusto Vadir. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open up our last pack here of Dawn of Majesty. Still haven't gotten a Starlight. And I know Starlights have come out in past sets, so just for some odd reason I really want to Starlight Stardust Dragon because it just makes sense. So alright, so we got Chronomaly Esperanza Glyph. Chronomaly Acambaro Figure, Dimmer Synthesis, Slower Swallow. Ooh, we got Magic-y Mech Musket, Bato Buster. It's a pretty cool card. Another Gusto Vadir, Gunkin Suship Daily Special, Chronomaly Temple Thrillathon. That's our 3rd Chronomaly card we got in this pack. And Margin Trading. So still no Starlight. We have this Metal Raiders now, which does feel a little heavy. I can admit, it does feel a little heavy. Maybe we can pull a secret rare out of this. We've been doing pretty darn well when it comes to secret rares. Just watch, a couple of my videos. There's like 3 or 4 that I got really lucky with. So, alright, so Metal Raiders. We got Yadu Karu, Dragon Piper, Mystic Horseman, Lava Battle Guard. We got a Shadow Ghoul. Bottom Dweller, Kaminari Attack, Ancient Elf, and Lady of Faith. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I think out of that whole pack, I think Lady of Faith was the only card that I didn't have. So, not the greatest opening, but still fun because I love opening my classic cards. So, anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Leave in the comments if you actually pulled a Starlight card out of Dawn of Majesty, or just in general. You could also tell me what your favorite card is from Metal Raiders as well. That'd be pretty cool. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Later, guys.